In this video, we'll discuss the main menu. It consists of several menus: File, Edit, Arrange, Project, Language, and Help. Every menu consists of several menu items that help you to work with your project. About File, Edit, Arrange, and Project we'll talk in the next chapters. In this video, I'll talk you only about Language and Help menus. You can choose language of TeslaSCADA IDE by clicking on corresponding menu item. In the Help, by clicking About menu item, you can check the current version of IDE. By clicking corresponding menu item, you can open user manual on our site. Thank you for watching. If you've got any questions, do not hesitate to ask us by email or in our forum.